People, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's your boy again this morning, David, live from IFX. People, I just want to give you guys the result of things that we forecasted before, and we said, and I said, me and my team, and we said this market is going up. And since we said this market is going up, Euro USD, it's been doing exactly what we forecasted. And you could see, should you check the trend line, it didn't change. This has been what we drew right from time, and it never changed. So you could see right now that the market is going to the direction that we forecasted. So I just want to do some little video, let people know what's up with the Euro USD market right now. So I don't know what you're trading at the moment, but this is part of what I'm trading. I've been since on Monday I was trading cryptocurrencies. I was trading Euro USD, Canadian dollar USD, Great Britain pound, Japanese yen, and some other little markets. Please, people, before we continue, please, I very much appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on my YouTube channel and all my social media pages as we speak. So let's get down to business. Just take a look at the market. Should we look at this market? It rages within this trend lines. It rages within it. You understand? So it's so to me it's so wonderful. This is what I could call it. I'll just say so goddamn fantastic. You get it? So US dollar is trying to make some little funny moves here, but euro is showing US dollar that I'm the one in charge of this market. You just don't come and run me over. You get it? Because US dollar stamina is not really there right now. So this is what I see, this is what I believe. I don't know what you see, but whatever you see, please just let me know. But this is what I see and this is what I believe. You understand? But US dollar is going to reverse, but not right now. You get it? US dollar would definitely reverse, but I don't see US dollar doing anything right now. So this is what I could tell you, people, concerning Euro USD. So USD is really trying to make the markets, make it happen in the market, which is a very good thing. And Euro has been dominating the market since May 14th, 2020. Euro's been dominating the market. It's been showing us who's in charge of the market, which is a very good thing, but just like we've been saying, just don't, when I do my own forecast, I want you to do your own forecast too. When I do my own technical analysis calculation, you should do your own too, because I don't know, if you wish you could do your own, if you wish you could follow my own, you understand? So it's open. I made it an open source to everyone, you get it? So I don't know what you see in the market, but this is what I see in the market, and this is what I believe will happen in the market. But since May 15, 2020, Euro really dominate the market. It swings up, it keep going bullish. It went bullish on the 4th of June, and US dollar tried to reverse the market, but Euro picked it up again on the 29th of June. On the 29th of June, and Euro picked it up, and it went up all the way up, almost, let me check from here to here. I'm coming. That was the first breakdown. 1.75, 1.17500. So we talking about like 400 pips at the moment. It's more than 400, because this is a daily chart. You get it? This is a daily chart. You get it? So it's really swing so high. You understand? So US dollar really, Euro really proved to US dollar that she's the one in charge of the market, which is a very good thing. And so US dollar is speaking its own language as we speak. US dollar is speaking its own language, and it's good. Honestly, it's good. But when euro is speaking right now, US dollar is trying to hold euro down. All this side I consider it to be a war zone. I consider it to be a war zone. So this is why my technical analysis, my price action analysis was like this. So I don't know what you see there, just like I said. Please feel free to let me know what you see, because this is what I see. Understand? So, and there are levels to this, just like I said, and this is why this market keep hitting up. So I said it will bounce in this place, and it did. So I said, should it come down worst, it's gonna hit this place and it's gonna go up. But look at it, it's even hit earlier. It hit this very position and it went. The next candle that opened, it opens for an uptrend. So the one that opened on Tuesday, or the one that opened on Wednesday, US dollar try to fight it. It shows an uptrending promise. You understand? The one that opened yesterday was a tie. You understand? US dollar was able to lock the market within euro and USD. Both of them are fighting and it's a tie. You understand? So the one that opened today is opening in the favor of Great Britain, euro, you understand, but US dollar is still trying to hold it down, that hey, I'm here, you get it. So US dollar is trying to speak, but to me and to my own, to what I see here, I don't really see US dollar doing much. Honestly, I don't really see US dollar doing much right now. I don't know. I will, after today, I will have to do another calculation, another price action calculation, and look at where the market is going again. But right now, what I could see here is that US dollar, don't really stand any chance. This is what I'm saying. You understand? Even in the cryptocurrency market, US dollar is fucked up. You get it? I'm sorry for using that language. I'm sorry for using that language. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So even in the cryptocurrency market, US dollar is really shaking right now. It's not in its best. It's not at its best at the moment. So what I could say is that the foreign exchange of euro right now, it's really dominating. I don't know, be it in the European market, be it in the African market, be it in the Asian market, I don't know. You understand? So, but right now, US dollar to the exchange rate purchase of US dollar to, it ain't bad, and it ain't really bad in the capital market, in the foreign exchange market. It ain't really bad, but it's not really speaking at its peak, at its stand as we speak. You get it? So, but euro is able to do some little things, which is very, very good. Which is very, very good. So I don't know what you see in this market, but this is what I see. Please, just like I said, people, I really appreciate a polite comment. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all my social media pages and my YouTube as well. I'll click the, I'll really appreciate it if you could do it for me. I'll really appreciate it. So let me see one more thing. There's something that I see in this market that I want to talk about. Okay. It's not. Yeah, it's Euro USD. I'm trying to remember what it is. There's a specific key that I saw there. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do that in my next Euro USD technical analysis. I'm gonna look for it again and I'm gonna do it. So people, I really appreciate you all watching my video. Please, just like I said, like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all my social media pages: YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. So please, thanks very much. Trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God help us all. See you in my next video. Bye.